People and businesses in North Carolina are going to see their state income taxes drop over the next several years.
But some Democrats said today this plan goes too far and needs to stop. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh to explain why. Michael.
Well, Governor Roy Cooper previously approved these broad tax cuts that are going to take place over the next several years, but now he wants to see some changes. Republicans say they want to push forward with even further cuts, and the state can't afford it.
Now, there is one thing you need to know about this.
In classrooms across the state, Tamika Walker-Kelly, the head of the North Carolina Association of Educators, says teachers deserve more.
Educators are not getting paid a professional salary that keeps up with the basics or inflation.
She joined Democratic lawmakers on Monday, calling on the state not to eliminate the corporate income tax as currently planned.
It will deprive North Carolinians of public services, like longer waits, if that's possible, at Department of Motor Vehicles to get your license.
Under the budget Republicans wrote in 2021 and Democratic Governor Roy Cooper signed into law, the personal income tax rate will drop incrementally from the current 4.75% to 3.99% in 2027. The corporate income tax rate will be eliminated by 2030. But in his new budget plan, Cooper would stop some of those cuts. He says only people making under $200,000 should continue to see their tax rate drop. People making more than that and corporations would keep the rates they have now. Republican Senate Leader Phil Berger criticized the idea, saying the state is on track for a $3 billion surplus this year, even as tax rates have dropped.
We may at some point be wrong about that, but thus far it's not been proven wrong.
He thinks taxes should be cut further, and those cuts should go into effect sooner.
If we see a downturn, that we have set aside enough money, and we'll continue to do that, to make sure that we can weather the storm.
We don't really have a budget surplus. We actually just have unpaid bills.
Republicans say they're still talking to each other about specifically what tax changes they're going to propose, but House Republicans are on track to pass their version of the state budget before Easter. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.